Hi, welcome to 2-Minute Writing Tips. I'm Kirsten, and today we're going to talk about how to name your blog. I did a video about this a while back, but as a continuation of my blogging series, this is a good time to talk about it again. As we discussed last week, the first step in starting a blog is coming up with a niche. Now you need to think of a name for your blog, and here are some guidelines. First, the name should reflect the niche. I do see a lot of blogs with strange names that are catchy, but that don't tell you anything about the content. That can work if the name is so unusual that people will click on it out of curiosity, but if the content doesn't match what they're looking for, they'll just leave. In general, it's better to choose a name that gives your audience some idea of what to expect from the blog posts. You may get fewer clicks, but your retention will be better. Second, the blog name should be short so that people will remember it. My original blog was called Running for Autism. It was within the niche I was writing about at the time, and the name was easy to remember and easy to use on social media. Finally, once you've established the name for your blog, buy the domain name and get the social media handles. Having the same name across platforms will make it so much easier for you to build an audience for your blog. Not only that, it adds to your opportunities for monetization once your blog has become established. That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.